So friends, today we will be configuring TP-Link AC1350 dual band Wi-Fi router. First of all, power on the router and connect Ethernet port. There are 4 ports. You can connect it to any one of them, and connect it to system. After connecting, we will be opening our system and giving it our DHCP, connecting it to a DHCP network. First of all, just do this. Obtain IP address automatically and DNS automatically. After this, you are ready to go. And now we'll be opening up a browser page and putting router default IP 192.168.0.1.
Hello friends, today we will configure TP-Link AC1350 Wi-Fi router. So let's continue. First of all, open browser and put 192.168.0.1. It's router default IP. A page will be open of router configuration. Creating a new password. After putting password, we will get this information: quick setup, basic and advanced. Go to advanced setup. Then go to wireless device, wireless setting. This is AC1350 dual band Wi-Fi router. So here you can get 2.4 GHz band and 5 GHz band. First of all, we are configuring SSID of both. We are naming it both to UMA. Setting your own password. 5. Saving it. Now saved. Now going to 5 GHz. Make your own SSID. Number for 5G. Setting password. Now save. Now both passwords are saved. SSID is configured. Go to network. There are 2 options here. One for internet and second one is LAN. In internet, you have to connect your Ethernet port to blue port in AC1350. Just connect this port.
Connecting WAN port.
After connecting WAN port on internet, select internet and then just auto detect. Here the internet connection type is dynamic. You can, if you know your ISP IP, then you can put static here and put your IP. Most of the time you don't know the ISP IP, so remain it to dynamic IP and select auto detect. It will be detecting your IP. Now our router is configured. Save this. And you are ready to go. Now checking internet. Then select your Wi-Fi. I have connected to UMA. My SSID is UMA. I have connected. Now I am going to Google, and here we go. It was as simple. Thanks for watching, and also please subscribe my channel. Thank you.